Right, so got my truck back, and I've got a few bits of wires and stuff that I need to put in the fuse box. So I'm going to put this ancillary fuse box on. It's going to have to sit on top of the battery because of the length of some of the cables, and there's actually nowhere else to put it as far as I can see. So yeah, bit of electrical work. Shouldn't take all that long, to be fair. Tidy up this wiring, put new crimp connectors on everything, strip some stuff back, and tidy up. Yeah. I went to get some battery cable, and the shop that I went to said they didn't have any, but they had jump leads. So jump leads are enough to feed an ancillary fuse box. So I'm going to butcher these up and use these. I can use the crocodile clips in other places and stuff like that, so everything won't go to waste. The cable will get used and everything will get used. So let's get this done before I have to go to work. Jeez, you need fucking 20 hands to do these fucking crimp terminals. There we go. Hopefully. Nah. That's annoying. Let's see if one of the others will work. See if the 6 will do it. Yep, 6 has done it. Bit of heat shrink, and we should be good. By 8 because that pull's bigger than the one on the fuse box. Right. That's the negative one done. Positive is going to be a hell of a lot shorter. It needs to go from there to there. So let's do the positive, wire them in, and then we should be still good to start wiring the actual circuits in. too long. Oil's too long. That'll do. That'll do. Right. Let's have a look. You know what? I'm going to cut that. Too long. Can't leave it that long. Should be better. Yeah, miles better. It's not as imposing as the other one was. Right, I think I will put them on and then see what I can do with the other stuff. I've just put a new battery in this. Looks like I've not taken that terminal off. The throttle body went in October, supposedly. My pedal stopped working, so they diagnosed it as a throttle body. They then put the throttle body on, told me they put a genuine one on, actually put an aftermarket one on, and it went faulty pretty much straight away. So I've been fighting with warranty companies. Warranty companies, the garages, ended up having to send it to a Fiat dealer. Luckily it's all under warranty, so it's not too bad. But basically my warranty company had to pay for the same work to be done twice. Not my fault, obviously, not the warranty company's fault, but yeah, they ripped it off. Well, we literally, since October, there's pretty much been off the road. It's done about 400 miles since October. So, well, maybe about 600 because the lads test driving and stuff. So I've just picked it up today. The battery was knackered because it was sat for so long. New battery on it. Put a new battery on it. Why is that not tight? I'm doing. New bugger. Just put it on the terminal instead of on that. Positive's going on the other bit, so that's not bad. Right, go and get some crimp terminals. my subwoofer first. I'm going to have to leave that fuse in it because the cable's not long enough. Extend it. Do I extend it to tidy it up? Yeah. I'm going to extend it to tidy it up, get rid of that fuse holder. I can extend it with my cable. Drip lead. Pack up, got to go to work, so I'll have to leave that for now and I'll come back to it another day. Right guys, let's finish wiring this in. I don't know what one of them is, to be fair, but at least it goes into a fuse holder, so I know how big the fuse has to be. So, yeah, I don't know what that's for. But we'll figure it out, we'll pull it in and we'll get everything working. I'll get my blowtorch for the heat shrinks. Okay, it's raining, but I don't care. I'm going to carry on. Air horn done. Tell by electrics. Size fuse is that 20 amp. Negative for the tow bar electrics is likely down the back of the truck, so no negative for the tow bar. That's annoying. Get another one. I know what that little cable's for. I've got lights in my bed. That must be the cable that's powering the bed lights. Right. So that'll do for now. I've got some lights coming for the bull bar. They're coming today, so I'll probably do them tomorrow. And I think that's it. I'm not sure. There might be some others that I'll do, but that'll do for now. I think everything's wired up. Check it all works, and we're good.